Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Ali Cake, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get this easy clown makeup look. So if you would like to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Okay guys, so let's get into this clown look that I wanted to show you guys. So I'm going in with my Jim Charles palette. Yeah, and I'll be going in with this black, and I will be putting that all over my lid. So I just spread it out here. This dark brown, and I just gonna put out here and blend out the black.
Will I catch up to love? I could never tell. I know chasing after you is like a fairy tale.
I just blend in the brown and the black together, fading it out. So adding some black. I want to put this white in my brow bone. Alrighty then, so when you're looking all smoked out, yeah, I want to put some of that black eyeshadow on the under eyes. So I'm just gonna drag that down here. Look like a raccoon, but trust the process. Okay, so now I'm going to draw some wing liner.
Round and round like a horse on a carousel. Will I catch up to love? I could never tell. I know chasing after you is like a fairy tale.
I'm gonna put this color here in our corners. So now I'm going to my eyeliner and I'm going to draw the clown things, the triangles on my face.
I know I'm stuck. Round and round like a horse on a carousel. Chasing after you is like a fairy tale, but I feel like I'm glued on tight to this carousel.
I just adding some brown here because I find it a little too dark. Now I'm going to do the nose, just a circle. Okay, so I'm going in with this red lip pencil from Sacha, and I'm going to be drawing out on my lips. Now I'm going to add some black eyeliner, and I'm going to line around my lips. And here I just joining the clown mouth on the sides.
Round and round like a horse on a carousel. Will I catch up to love? I could never tell.
Also gonna be putting some black eyeliner on my eyes, and eyes actually forget. So.
Chasing after you is like a fairy tale, but I feel like I'm glued on tight to this carousel.
So now I'm gonna fix my hair and come back. See you guys. Okay guys, so this is the final look.
Round and round like a horse on a carousel. Will I catch up to love? I could never tell. I know chasing after you is like a fairy tale.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.